Beautiful. Nice. Let's go ahead and pat that down. We come back up and we grab this here. Remove it completely. Let's go ahead and take that off and out the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover both sides. So let's flip it over. Beautiful. Have all these flavors at once. Bring it down nice and gently with love. Let's get the sides in as well. Kind of looks like a snake there, don't it? Colored in. Beautiful. Like this. Let's get this side covered as well. Mix that in on the back side. Beautiful, guys. Delicious. It smells great. Now pop it open, take off the tab, go ahead and grab our rack here and we slowly start to wrap it around carefully. Let's get those colors on the outside like this. Just trying to get away, but we're not gonna let it. Wrap it. Perfect. And we are gonna go ahead and tuck in the end so it doesn't come apart. Get that in there. Squeeze that just a bit. Go ahead and get this here. We are off to the grill, which is preheated at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to toss this baby in there for 3 hours. Halfway through, we are going to come, of course, and we are going to cover it with some delicious barbecue sauce. However, we are not done. Pierce it. Same way here. Let those juices come out. Remove that. Look at that. Go ahead and do that one more time. This way. Get that out the way. And that. Those juices are going to flavor this from the inside out, guys. Now let's close this top. Now all we have to do is wait. Alright guys, wish you were here. These smell amazing. Now remember, 2 hours into them being on the grill, we came through with some bold and spicy barbecue sauce. We covered them up and now they are perfect. Alright guys, we have these cookie cutters that we're going to place in our hot oil on this skillet. That's ready. Ready for what? Ready for these corn fritters. Go ahead and get this ladle full. Get that off of there so it doesn't drip too much. And we're going to go ahead and fill these cookie cutters out just like this. And that should spread out just like that. Let's get on to the next one. It's about enough for 2. We're going to come back just like this. Get that in there. Let's get the second one. Let's flatten these out real quick. Nice. It's not too hot so they don't burn on us. Nice and round. Perfect. Then we're going to come through over here. It's been on there for quite a while. Be careful. Come through with a little olive oil. We have red onions, jalapenos, and garlic. Beautiful. Real quick, a little salt and a little pepper. Okay guys, our veggies are nicely cooked now. Look at these beautiful roasted tomatoes. Let's squeeze some of that juice in there. Tomatoes. Let's place that on top just for now. Perfect. Still sizzling. Now we can go ahead and take our cookie cutters and remove them. Be careful because they are hot. Look at that perfectly round shape. It's exactly what we're going for. That's why we used these cookie cutters. We can go ahead and flip these over. Should be nice and golden on the bottom. Perfect. Look at that, guys. Let's get the rest of them. Wow. Now we're gonna finish this salsa off. Go ahead and blend everything together. Alright guys, this salsa is coming together beautifully. Just give it just a couple of minutes. Yes sir, it is that time to enjoy. Let's Get this homemade grilled salsa in there. Get some of this on here. A little extra spice. Alright guys, it's time to enjoy. Only on chefclub.tv.